Hello everyone. It's morning here and it's only like 32 degrees in southern Alabama. So my project for today is to make a tray for my footstool that I showed y'all. Kind of like a coffee table tray. So I used Jenga blocks, and this is not glued together yet. So this is my idea, is to glue all this together, seal it, and add handles on the sides of some sort. So I'm going to count these Jenga blocks so I can say how many I used here. I have my square here to make sure everything is straight. I'm going to get my regular measuring tape because this is obviously not long enough, and I put a piece of cardstock down to protect the top of my desk from the glue, and I have regular wood glue from Dollar Tree. I don't have the good stuff. I probably should, but if I have any issues with it, then I'll get some Gorilla Glue. So right now, and I added 3 more blocks for the length because I wanted it a little bit longer. Right now this is 14 by 9.5. That's about the max I could go without taking up the whole top of the footstool. This will be enough to like set a cup of coffee on so it doesn't spill, set a candle on it, you know, something like that. So it's 48 for the perimeter sides. And then that's 110 total for the bottom. I'm writing this out so I get it right. When I start taking it apart to glue it, make sure I get it back right. I guess I'm not awake to math. Actually, I'm going to move these away and do this carefully. I don't want to destroy the whole thing. I guess in reality it won't matter, right? So then I can start putting them, when I glue them, I'm going to put them up starting in the corner of the, like here, so I can keep everything straight and level. And all you do is put a bead of glue I'm going to put too much. Press them together. I will not make y'all sit here through this whole process, so I will periodically, and you can also do this because that's too much. I will periodically pause the camera I'm going to do 5 sets of these to start with. Actually, I'm going to do 10 sets of these, one set for each side. Okay, I started a little bit. This thing works really good. I only used it a couple times. DeWalt, because it's the best, right? I will turn the volume down and I will only film part of this because my battery is running low because I forgot to plug my phone in, and I've done quite a bit of filming and been on my phone for hours. So here we go. Okay, I got the area cleaned back up. Here's the sanding block I got with the handle on it. And this just slides in here. These are very handy. So I did the edges as best I could. I mean, they're almost smooth. So I have this Valspar Signature Antiquing Glaze. I don't have any gloves. My hands might be, and I just got my nails done, my hands might be stained for a while. So what I'm going to do, you don't need a lot. So what I'm going to do is just put a little on. I'm just using what's in the lid first. And I don't want it real dark. And it just grabs the wood grain wherever you don't need a lot. I barely put any on this rag. Okay, I'm going to flip it over. I am going to do the other side. No, nobody's here. Nobody's here. I like this side better. Okay. Ugh. And one of these, no, I need glue. I'll do this first. I'm not doing the bottom if I can help it, because that's where the glue is going to go. And the glue these back together. Okay, see how I used the antique antiquing glaze on it, in case you missed that part. Very lightly. I still need to do the top all the way around and these edges. But this is how I was saying that you can't do this way because there's not enough block to go there. So this has to go on the outside. So I will have to glue this together. Okay. And that's why I didn't put the wax or the glaze on this bottom side either, because I have to put glue there. And this may not turn out perfect, and that's fine. DIY. DIY. Come on. Whoops. Okay, I'm going to, I need this to come out. Put a thin strip there. Put that down. Place that where it needs to go. Right inside. Close to the edge as I can get it. I have these sticky cork what are these called? To sit your cup on. And you could actually place that in there if you wanted to. But I'll probably mix some of these too. I made some before. I believe I sold them. Coasters, that's what I was trying to think of.